Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We will be starting with type 7 in inverse Laplace transform. That is, we will be dealing with unit step function, also well known said to be Heaviside unit step function. I will first discuss what do you mean by unit step function. Now, step signal is nothing but the signal which I have made here. That is, this is said to be u of t, where the amplitude is 1. It starts at 0 until infinity it will be maintaining the same amplitude. If suppose I shift my u of t at a, then this is said to be u of t minus a, but again amplitude will be as it is 1. So we need to find first Laplace transform of both signal. So when I say if we want Laplace of u of t, according to general definition, I'll be going 0 to infinity e raised to minus st u of t dt, which comes to be from 0 to infinity, the amplitude of u of t is 1. So I can say 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into 1 dt, which comes to be e raised to minus st divided by minus s, above limit is infinity and 0, which comes final answer when you put lower minus upper, since there is minus inside, that comes to be 1 by s. In the similar way, when I find Laplace of u of t minus a, then I can say that comes to be 0 to infinity e raised to minus st u of t minus a dt. As you can understand, u of t minus a starts at a until infinity it is continuously 1. So limit changes from a to infinity e raised to minus st into that becomes 1 dt, which comes equal to e raised to minus st divided by minus s, above limit is infinity, lower limit is a, which comes to be, put lower limit first, 1 by s is outside. If we put lower limit first, e raised to minus sa minus, when you put upper limit, that becomes 0. So we have just now find Laplace of u of t, that is unit step function, and a shifted version of u of t. You can also write definition of u of t as u of t is 1, starts at 0. So I say t greater than equal to 0. When t is less than 0, your signal is 0. In the similar way, I can say u of t minus a. So I say u of t minus a, that is again equal to 1. It is 1 only a and greater than a. So I say t greater than equal to a. When t is less than a, your signal is 0. So we have proved now Laplace of u of t to be 1 by s, and Laplace of u of t minus a is e raised to minus as divided by s. Students, as I said you, this function is said to be step function or also said to be Heaviside function. So if suppose you write u as h of t, so that again comes to be 1 by s. Just a name change, instead of u you can also write h, and in the same way you can write h of t minus a, that is e raised to minus as divided by